Hello. Today we are doing why is concave mirror used in searchlights. Okay. So let's break the topic and understand each word. What is a searchlight? It's a torch-like thing, or torch is also a searchlight जो लाइट बहुत दूर तक फेंक सके. सपोज हम जंगल में, we can see through the trees far and far. So that is what is a searchlight. अच्छी strong beam, and it should go deeper into a jungle or wherever you are. ठीक है, दूर जाने चाहिए. दूर जाने का मतलब क्या होता है इन टर्म्स ऑफ रेस? दूर जाने का मतलब होता है, बहुत दूर जाने का मतलब होता है infinity. Image is at infinity. Okay, so this is what a fact. Image should be at infinity. That means it will go very far. Fine. Now, ये कब होता है? When does the image go to infinity? ये कॉन्केव मिरर के एक ही केस में होता है, जब ऑब्जेक्ट कहाँ रखा जाता है? जब ऑब्जेक्ट रखा जाता है फोकस एंड पोल के बीच में. नहीं, सॉरी, एट फोकस जब रख देते हैं, ऑब्जेक्ट इज एट फोकस, देन the light rays, they go till infinity and form the image there. So here what condition we'll use is, for concave mirror, put the object. Object means the bulb. At the focus of mirror. So the bulb should be kept here on focus, while the image will be formed far off. ठीक है. अब anything else is left? No, I think this is done. Now we can draw the diagram also. So suppose this is the concave mirror. Okay, just draw a rough diagram. Fine. So this is the principal axis, and now we have this is the focus, and now I have an object here. Object में क्या है? Bulb है. Bulb. या फिर I let me make a bulb only if I'm able to do that. Not bad. This looks like a bulb or no? So this is a bulb which is put at the object location. Now it will send light. Bulb will always obviously send light. So let's take two light rays from a point. One we can take parallel to the principal axis. This incident ray 1 is parallel to the axis. So इसका rule क्या होता है? That on reflection it goes through focus. जो इसका point of incidence है, ये है इसका point of incidence, तो वो focus से pass होती है. Okay, this is the principal axis. This is the incident ray 1, and this one is reflected ray 1. I hope this is clear. Then we need one more ray. Why? Because image formation के लिए we need at least two rays. So maybe we can put the light on pole. From the same point, we show a light. See, if you don't go stepwise, this diagram will not be clear. So please go स्टेप वाइज, ऐसे नहीं कि कहीं पे भी लाइन टेढ़ी मेढ़ी खींच दी और वो बन गया डायग्राम. नो, इंसिडेंट रे 2. आई एम मेकिंग टू मच नॉइज टुडे. ओके, हाँ आज आप लोग शांत बैठे हो, बस मैं ही शोर मचा रही हूँ. This is incident rate 2, which was incident at pole. Now when such a condition happens, the reflected ray also has the same angle. This is the point of incidence. No, this is really messed up. This is a correct diagram, but it's little many. So what I'll do is I'll make it a little bigger. And maybe rough. I'll not use the scale because it is taking too much time. So suppose this is the concave mirror. Okay, and we have this principal axis. Okay, this is principal axis. Now the focus is here. This is the focus. We want the bulb to be put, the object to be put on focus. So we are putting the bulb at focus. जब कोई भी चीज़ focus पे होती है, then the reflected rays go to infinity. So we've kept a bulb, so we try to get its image. We'll do one line, this is point A, and we'll draw a line parallel to image. बनाने के लिए एक condition था ना कि if the incident ray is parallel to principal axis, this is the incident ray which is parallel to the axis, this will go back. This is a point of incidence. जब ये वापस जाएगी, it has to pass from the focus. So यहाँ से जब वो वापस जाएगी point of incidence से, it go through focus. All right, I'm rubbing this principal axis because there are too many lines here. I have rubbed the principal axis. This will make it more clear. So this is incident ray 1, and this one which is passing from focus is incident ray, reflected ray 1. All good? Now we need one more ray to form the image. Okay, so from the same point, we'll put a light ray at the pole. You can use any of the rules, but I am taking the simplest one that I think is simple. Where is the pole? This is the pole. So we send one incident ray from the bulb to the pole. ये वाली रे जो है, ये है incident ray 2. This one, टेढ़ी वाली line. And when you hit the pole, it is reflected back by the same angle. So whatever this angle is, small angle, it will get reflected in the same angle. Save. This is reflected ray 2. Now, where are the two rays going? This is one of the reflected rays. I am highlighting it. And the second reflected ray is here. Now, what do you observe? Do you think they can meet? They are parallel to each other now. Do you think they'll meet here somewhere? No, because parallel rays do not meet. कैन यू गेट वर्चुअल इमेज विद इट? हम इसको पीछे एक्सटेंड कर देते हैं, तब हमें इंटरसेक्शन मिल जाएगा, कभी भी इंटरसेक्शन नहीं मिलेगा। तो ना इस तरफ इंटरसेक्शन मिल रहा है फॉर अ वर्चुअल इमेज, ना इस तरफ इंटरसेक्शन मिल रहा है फॉर अ रियल इमेज, because both of them are just parallel to each other and they never cross and they reach the infinity without a problem. Okay, so this is why concave mirror is used for searchlights. Thank you.